In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can make an animation in PowerPoint, and it could look something like this. So the first thing you need to do is to take your image. This instance is it's a logo. And what I did is that I took the magic wand in Photoshop tool, and then I just selected each different element in the logo. And then I am inversing that selection, and I just delete the rest. Now I can save this image, and I call this 1, and you can see where I'm going from there. I have a 2, 3, 4 bridge, text, something. So what I need to do, and then every time I just go back one step in my history, and then I do it for the next one like this. With these images, I can actually switch to PowerPoint. And in PowerPoint, this is, I know it's a Danish menu, but animations and animationer, well, it's probably pretty much the same. And I have a animation window here. And what I did is that I took each of my pictures from my screen here, this one, and I just put them in there. So you can see this is the new image here, and it's, if I put in the images in that order, they will have the right placement because every image is the same size. So if I just put them into the PowerPoint, they will be in the right dimensions to the rest, and I just animate this one. So I go to animations and I can say fly in, or float in, or show like this, and you can even have it do like that, or zoom. So you have a lot of different animations, and the trick is that you can then take your animations and move them into the right order. I just put the animations here, and then after each animation I'm saying this one will start after the previous one. So it just starts when the previous one is finished, then the next one starts, the next one starts, and except the last ones, which was the flash, where everything flashes at the same time. It's just set to start with the other ones. This one is new. I can just remove that, and I'll just remove the whole picture like this. Okay, but the other ones are here. So when I'm done, I can just play the animation, and this animation will just show the it will show the 4 circles, and then we'll float in the bridge, and I will then show the 2 texts, and then I will flash the whole thing. One thing to mention is that when you get the first animation, you would like to have a little bit of time before the first animation starts. So in timing, you can see I have put a 1 second delay on the here. I have put a 1 second delay on the animation. So when I click, it only plays after a second. So this is a second, now it plays. So, and in the end, I actually had another animation of this is picture 9. It doesn't matter what it is, and I just say show animation, and this one I also delay. I go after the final one, and I also give it a delay of a couple of seconds like this. So what that means is that I also have a little bit of free time after the animation is finished, before the film is finished. So which means that when I take this animation and put it into my video editor, the logo just has a little bit of time before it just cuts off and goes on to the next video clip. So this will be the final result. And then, oh, I can just take it from the top, sorry. This animation here. And cut. So this is how you can create an animation of a logo in PowerPoint, and you just export it, and you'd export it as a video. And you just create a video, and this is, I'll just create it here. And now it is producing my video. You can do this with anything in the PowerPoint. You can do it with bullet points. You can do it with all of the things that you normally do in PowerPoint, that you animate them in, and then you can save them or export them as a video clip. So with our new video clip, we can put it into our movie editor, and I will show you how to work with that in the next movie. Thank you.